Muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating update sa nag-iisang The King of P-Pop SB19. Of course, may nakuha at nakatanggap ng 4 na awards ang ating mahalima sa PMPC Star Awards for Music. According to Google, ito na susulat. SB19 dominated the 17 PMPC Star Awards for Music, sweeping 4 major awards: Concert of the Year, Duo Group Concert Performer of the Year, Music Video of the Year for Kalakal featuring Glock 9, and the Playtime Fan Favorite Award. The P-Pop King secured these top honors during the awarding ceremony the group holds in clothes. Yun na nga, 4 na major awards ang nasungkit at nakuha ng ating mahalima. Unfortunately, hindi sila nakapunta mismo in person sa awarding, subalit may representative. Kaya naman, thank you so much 18 at mga supporters ng ating mahalima. At ilang update din ang ginawa ng mga diehard fans ng SB19 sa Facebook. Narito nga, kasama ang mga pictures at mga larawan sa 4 na awards mula sa PMPC Star Awards for Music.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over